Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this half up starburst braid. This is such a fun and quick style to do, and the reason I like it so much is because it looks so much more difficult to do than it really is. The first thing I'm going to do is put the hair half up. So I'm using spray gel here, and I'm just smoothing the hair out, making sure I have nice clean part lines on either side before I put the hair into an elastic. From here, I'm going to divide this ponytail into two pieces. One of the pieces on the left side, I'm going to clip it out of the way so it's not a problem for me. Next, I'm going to take a small chunk of hair on the right side, and then with the rest of the hair, I'm just going to put it into an elastic so it's out of my way. Now to prep the hair, you want to use either water or spray gel. I'm using my favorite spray gel here, which if you don't know what kind I use, you can click the link below in the description box under products that I use. And just simply spray the hair down, and then you're gonna comb it through so it's nice and ready for braiding. Next, you're gonna start a 3-strand braid, and I'm going to do 4 stitches, which just means that I'm putting one side and then the other side in before I start adding any pieces from the ponytail. Now the reason I divided the hair out is so that I only put in half of the hair. So I'm just going to take a small section of hair and add it to the left side of my braid. Then I'm going to come over to the right, go back to the left, and when I'm on the left side, I'm going to take another small section of hair and add it to my braid. Go back to the right, and you're not going to add anything. Then go to the left, and you're going to add another section of hair. Now try to make your sections as even as possible, but you also want to make sure that you're angling your braid down, because my braid is almost coming to a V. So make sure that you're pulling the hair tight and following down the line you want to go. You also want to make sure that you get all the hair added before you get to the middle, because that's where your braid is going to meet the other braid. Once I have all the hair added, I'm just going to simply put in a clip. And now I will go to the other side. So I'm going to repeat those same steps, making a small section of hair, all of the hair underneath, put it in a ponytail. You may not have to put the hair aside, but I find it so much easier, and I don't pick up any hair that I don't want to pick up. Now you're going to let down that section of hair that you put up top, and just use your spray gel and water and comb it through so it's ready for braiding. Now again, I'm going to start my braid here. The thing that I'm going to make sure I do on this side is that I'm going to be checking my other side to make sure it's even. So I'll be looking back and forth, making sure that I'm doing the same amount of stitches, starting putting hair in, and that it's all on the same level, just so that it looks as nice as possible. So I'm doing 4 stitches. On my 5th stitch, I'm going to start to add in hair. Now you can see that I'm holding it really tight, and I'm putting the hair exactly where I want it to be. I always get a lot of compliments whenever I do a starburst braid. It's a really pretty braid, but it's actually pretty easy to do because you're simply doing a 3-strand braid and then just adding in pieces of hair. So I think this is definitely a style you could do if you're a beginner, and try it out. I think it's a really cute style, and I think you'd like it. So I am just trying to add all of the little pieces of hair that I have. Now once I've added all the hair from my ponytail, I am going to combine this braid with my other braid. So I'm going to put them together and I'm going to magically turn my 6 strands into 3 strands to continue down my 3-strand braid. So there's no science to this, I'm just kind of moving the hair around so that it's in 3 equal strands. And I'm just going to continue braiding down with a 3-strand braid. You just want to try to make those pieces as even as possible when you move them around. Once you get down to the bottom, put in an elastic. And then from there, all you're going to do is brush out the remaining hair so it looks nice, and that's it, your Starburst braid. If you guys are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our tutorials. We post new hair tutorials on Wednesdays and Saturdays.